Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will review this website SmoothSpine.com. They are selling different kinds of product like pillow, and they have also their tablets, and they have also some packaging, or you can say like some kit related to this, like sciatica recovery bundle also they have. So you should use their product or not. Does their product really work? They are legit, or it just another scam product? Okay, so first of all I want to tell you this brand is approx like 6 years from now, and they are also available on Trustpilot, and they have good ratings on Trustpilot, and they are replying each and every customer. When you check their negative reviews, they are in touch with their customer supports. Okay, so basically in the terms of presentation the brand is looking like legit, but if we talk about like the product, basically they are selling this kind of pillow, we can say like therapy. This is the back pain therapy device. So when you make a research, when we are making proper research, we found that the similar product is available on Amazon.uk at very low cost, but the rating is not too good. Okay, and there are some other websites also available, and they are also selling the same product, but the name is different. You can also see like the same product with different website, and the all name is almost same. So how is this possible? If the product is if the brand is legit, if the product is unique, how they allow their product to sell on different websites? So this is not looking like a good thing. It's looking like a affiliate marketing or dropshipping product. Okay, so my suggestion is only this: you should avoid this per se product. If you really want to try, you can go on Amazon.com and you can make a purchase. Because if we talk about these kind of devices, these kind of device results depends on person to person. Maybe you will get good results, maybe you will not get. It depends on person to person. And when the device will not work, so it's impossible to getting your money back. So you can see there are some also, you can say like in reviews, like the device was a poor massager. I did not generate sufficient heat and it did not help. Okay, I request a refund. So you can see over here there are some reviews also explaining their problems. So you can make a proper decision, and you can also share your experience. What's your experience related to this brand? Okay, so this is the information only. If you have any experience, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. And in my terms, the brand is legit, but the product is not looking like so worthy. Okay, so now you can make a proper decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.